Bamboo soil fertilizer haina mingthonba AA dagi semba organic ke har makhal ama ngasi lamfelpata leiba CSIR North East Institute of Science and Technology ki campus ta launch tawkhre. Bamboo soil fertilizer adu North East Can and Development Council amasung apunba imagi macha singna CSIR NEIST ka khutsamnaraga puthokibani bamboo soil fertilizer launch tawkibage thoramatuta Manipur University ke Department of Life Sciences ke Associate Professor Dr. TH Robert ICAR Research Complex for NEH Reason Manipur Center ke scientist Dr. D Basanta amade CSIR NEIST के Chief Scientist Professor H. Bir Kumar su saruk yake. Tawamatu kamari lenana Dr. Basantana haikibada reason asida agriculture ki pothok ningthina amade marang kaina puthok ke hairabade bamboo soil fertilizer asina khwaidagi chunabo oigani. Puthokliba fertilizer asi hena magun lainaba ICAR ki makhata tana thabak tominaba mathau tai haina wafam thamke.